Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And it's been a while. Wow, it's been a while that I made my last video. And today's video will be short and also and happy October 1st. And for today's video, we'll be making a non zero proof hot buttery rum, for the knowing that it's fall, it's been around, it's been getting cold, or something nice and warm. And I thought the idea of making something easy, and yeah, it'll have no rum into it, none ever. It's pretty easy. I'll show you the basic. And I already made my batter. Simple recipe. Requires some first. Number one, your butter of choice. I'm using a plant-based butter. I like the taste of it. You can use any butter if you desire. My cat's brown sugar. Use two teaspoons of butter. Sorry, curious. 2 scoops of brown sugar into your butter. And use 2 teaspoons of butter. For this, I'm actually using a short amount for one person. If you want to make a bunch, I think it's like 250 grams of butter and 250 grams of brown sugar for me. Today I'm just making it for myself. And use 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Unfortunately, I have some clover. It's whole. I don't have it already ground up. I supplemented with allspice. You want to add just a little bit of it. You feel the spice of it. And I already preheated my mug. You can use any mug. Use a cat mug. And you want to do this just enough till it looks like a cookie dough. I first just made it, and I made a mistake of not mixing it all the way up, and I got some taste of butter. You want to make sure you want to stir this up just well, and it's nice and like a cookie dough. And this is just enough for me. It requires 2 scoops. I like just the brown sugar of it. Yep. Put that aside. Got my hot water. Pour it in. Just halfway. I'm going to stir it around. After you're stirring around, make sure it all incorporates. You're going to get a very dark drink. You could definitely smell the nutmeg and the brown sugar and the other stuff. It tastes really good. And this is also optional. You could put milk into it, or heavy cream, or cream, I think, or you could drink it just where it is. I'm gonna supplement with some milk. Milk in it. There we go. Let's have a taste. It's very good, and it's pretty easy to make, and very for something for warm. And I hope you get like this video and subscribe to the channel. It'll help me out, and please share my videos around, and let me know in the comments if you like what you think of it, and let me know what you like, what's your favorite hot drinks for the fall. Well, that'll be it for today, and I hope you all have a great October. This is the first. I will probably post this video maybe tomorrow or a few days. Still have a good day. Bye.